Okay, that's not too difficult. So, oh, right. Let me try and hold the phone as well. Okay, so that it's loose. Okay, you can see it wobbling. Perhaps, if I'm not wobbling the phone at the same time, but it is. You can hear it, can't you? Yeah. So it didn't take much. That's an 18, interestingly enough. And I don't have an 18 in hex, but I have an 18 double hex, so I used that to undo it, and it came off quite easily. Yeah, you can see how it's loose. There we go. Oh, now you can see it's wobbling, yeah. The gotcha is these are rivets. Put light on. Yeah, these are rivets. So you... Oh, it's got a... Oh, yeah. I think you can possibly undo... I wouldn't suggest drilling the rivet. I would say it's better just to cut the wire or something, because it's easy to just reconnect the wire, but to re-rivet that might be a problem. It's possible it looks like it might have a I don't know, I'm not sure, that it might have like a spade connector or something. Unlikely, because it's probably the same as this. So yeah, I mean, what I would do personally is I would pull that plastic away and then just probably undo the crimp on the spade connector, because I can re-crimp that quite easily. Sorry, I keep wandering away. I'll probably do something like that, or just not. Oh, there's a connector here. Perhaps I can just undo it from there. Yeah, I think I can. Looks like that connector there comes off, which means I can then undo it from there. Yeah, there's a spade. Yeah, you can see a spade. In fact, let's see if it'll come away. No, but they're two into a spade connector, so I just need to pull the spade connector, and then that'll come away, and then this will come away. I'm presuming, I don't know at this point. You can see how these are just connected to there, so that doesn't matter. Once I've got the wheel away, then I'm guessing that I can just simply use like a pair of pliers or something to just get that spade connector off. Yeah, it feels loose, so I just need to push in the right place, and then that spade connector will come away, and then this will come away, and then that means I can move the steering wheel out of the way completely. Yeah. Okay, but that's the thing. 18. Get your 18. It didn't take much actually. Just a wrench would have done it. But as I say, crucially, make sure you keep it threaded on. Yeah, so that when you actually do free that, you know, that it'll. Yeah, you can see I'm moving it around. That it doesn't, and you just literally you put your hand here, your other hand here, and then wobble it while you pull it, and eventually you'll hear it rattle, and then that's it, you're done. It does take a couple of minutes of wobbling around, and eventually it comes free. And then obviously once that's disconnected, you can then pull the whole thing away, and it just reveals the steering column.